Wait, did you see your video? Like the first video that we have, it has like 1 million hits.
Oh my God! Yes, yes.
I'm speechless. I don't have the words. Like, I was like, what the hell's going on here?
Oh my God!
That's crazy.
Actually you are celebrity in India right now. Cambly learners.
Oh yeah. It doesn't make any sense. Like, we didn't even talk about anything special,
No,
you
no.
know?
Actually, simplicity is the best thing that you are doing. You are really simple lady. You are really not. Your simplicity shows the beautifulness to the people.
Yeah, but like does YouTube just like pick random videos?
Yes,
You know what I mean? Like they pick random videos and then they advertise it more, or
yes.
they make it pop up on like your feed more. I don't know, like I don't know how that happened, but it's amazing. Like, congratulations.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gained a lot of students.
Okay, great.
Hey,
Hi, Meli.
how are you?
I am fine. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while. How long has it been?
Maybe uh, almost 6 months, right? Is it not?
It has been 6 months since we spoke.
Yeah, I hope so.
You hope so? You think so?
Yes, yes, I think so.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. So the last time I spoke to you was like in October?
Yes.
Oh my God. Like
And,
October, November, around that time.
and how about your family? Are they fine?
Everyone, pardon?
How about your family?
Everyone is fine, and yours?
And yeah, quite well. In meanwhile, during this time, my grandmother was hospitalized because of some health issue, but now she is okay now.
Okay, what happened? What was the health issue?
Uh, Actually, she has high sugar and pressure also.
And what?
She has sugar. She has
Okay.
she has been taking insulin for sugar.
Okay, so she's a diabetic.
Yes, yes,
And
and also pressure. She has high pressure, so that's why
high blood pressure.
high blood pressure. Yes.
So she has hypertension.
Exactly. Oh wow,
Okay.
you know this.
Okay. Yeah, so does my father actually. He is also diabetic and he has hypertension.
Oh,
So, yeah. They're probably the same age. How old is your grandmother?
75.
Oh, okay, so my dad is 66. So close. Yeah.
And
all right, what about you? Anything new with you?
not new, but now in this time my exam is over, so I am totally free and I can call you sometimes.
Okay. Okay. And are you doing it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. What was
But nowadays you does not open the reservation slots, so that's why I can't. But when you open this, please let me know at least.
Okay, so as you know, Ramadan is starting on Tuesday. So for that 1 month, I'm not.
So you are. Okay. I understand. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna see how it goes. I mean, if I feel up to it, I'll open slots, but most likely I'm not gonna work for like a month.
Okay, no problem. No. Yeah. See you again.
And I
have a plan for today.
Okay, go tell me, because I was gonna tell you something, but I'll tell you after because it's kind of disturbing. Go.
Okay. Okay, now can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, now. Okay. Actually, my earphone is not working well.
You want to try using without? You can, if you don't use your earphones, you can't hear me?
But now I can hear you. If I put off the earphone, the sound of fan will the sound of fan the moving fan will
Oh,
increase. So that's why. And, oh yeah,
okay.
I have a plan for you, an interesting plan. That is, suppose you are invisible for a day. Then what will you do? First,
Suppose that you are
invisible for a day.
invisible for a day.
Nobody asked you.
No. I mean, I used to think about it when I was a child, but God, what would I do? You know, I would go into those laboratories that test animals,
Okay,
and I would release all of those animals.
great, great, great,
But just one day, I need more time.
great, great.
I need more time. I
Excellent,
need like a year.
excellent.
Yeah. Okay, what about you? What would you do?
If I am invisible for a day, then I will. One thing in my mind is wondering in my brain, that is, I must restrict the criminals doing any crime.
You want to do what to the criminals?
I restrict the criminal activities. I restrict.
How?
How
How would you restrict
suppose
criminal activity?
suppose on the way I see someone is waiting for some people for snatching parts or kidnapping someone, then I will mislead them, and also I will punish them.
You will punish them?
Suppose I will pat on them,
Pass on them.
yeah, from backwards, then it is quite embarrassing, and I will not help him to do any crime.
Okay. Take it easy. Okay. Well, okay. So that's good too, I guess.
No, your one is better. Your one is better than me.
No, yours is really good, but how, like, you would have to like be waiting, so like how do you know when a criminal is going to be where, you know? So you would need much more than one day.
Yeah. So I have at least 1 month.
Yeah, you need a month. I need a year.
Okay.
I need to travel country to country.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. Traveling is a wonderful opportunity to be invisible for traveling, because without
Yeah, exactly.
yes,
Just
exactly.
get on any airplane, go wherever you want.
Excellent. And yeah, and one tricky question, that is, if suppose you are invisible, that is fine, but if you are allowed to do a crime, then what will you do?
Oh my God. If I was allowed to commit any crime, which crime would I commit?
Yes, if you are allowed. I know you never do this, but
I'm not the kind of person that breaks the law.
but you are allowed.
I don't know. What would you do?
You will be. What will you do?
Yeah, what would you do?
Oh, I will go cinema. I will go cinema hall, then without ticket, and also I will go sweet, and also I will go sweet shop and any food shop. Then I will eat.
Oh my God. Okay, so these are small time crimes. Okay, I wasn't thinking like small time. When you said break the law, I automatically thought like robbing a bank.
Oh my God! Whoa,
I'm like, I can't do it. I'll feel bad.
you think bigger. You always think bigger.
Yeah, I was thinking like major
You are
crime.
very high ambitious person.
I would never do that, by the way.
Then
That's terrible. I don't know. I don't think I would break the law.
small crime, what will you do?
A small crime?
Yeah, like
I'm trying to think of a crime that doesn't affect anyone, like that doesn't harm animals or people, but I can't think of any. They all kind of harm someone. That's why they're the law. That's why they're there. We do not break laws. Don't break any laws. No free movie for you.
Great, great.
Yeah. Wait, did you see your video? Like the first video that we have, it has like 1 million hits.
Oh my God, yes, yes.
I'm speechless. I don't have the words. Like, I was like, what the hell's going on here?
Oh my God.
That's crazy.
Actually, you are celebrity in India right now. Cambly learners.
Oh yeah. It doesn't make any sense. Like, we didn't even talk about anything special,
No,
you
no.
know?
Actually, simplicity is the best thing that you are doing. You are really simple lady. You are really not. Your simplicity shows the beautifulness to the people.
Yeah, but like does YouTube just like pick random videos?
Yes, yes.
You know what I mean? Like they pick random videos and then they advertise it more, or
Yes.
they make it pop up on like your feed more. I don't know, like I don't know how that happened, but it's amazing. Like congratulations.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gained a lot of students.
Okay, great, great. Temperature there?
It's cold outside.
Oh,
It
really?
was snowing this morning.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we had hail. You know hail?
Eh,
When the little ice comes,
oh, snow
the
like.
little ice balls, not snow, but ice, like little balls of ice.
Okay, okay.
Hail. All right. So it was hailing this
Oh,
morning.
hey, yeah. And it is the meaning of hail the new year. Welcome the new year.
Yeah, okay, yeah, you can use it that way too, but
Okay, yes, I can understand. Okay.
the precipitation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stay safe, stay happy. We'll come soon with a lot of interesting questions to you, and we'll have a great chat.
You too. We still have like 30 seconds.
Oh, yeah. No.
You said bye too early. Usually I say bye when there's only 5 seconds left.
Okay.
This is early.
Oh, what is the in front backwards to you? The pink in your
The towel?
yes. Oh, piano.
It's a towel, my kitchen towel.
Are apart than that box or bag.
Oh, that's a basket that I just put like my extra stuff in.
Okay. And bye.
Okay. Have fun. Enjoy your day.